Established in 2007, Rudraaksh Engineering's Bangalore, an ISO-certified company, is today a symbol of innovation, progress and perfection. Founded by Mr. Harish Oswal, a young entrepreneur with 30 years of experience. With the latest technology and a team of skilled technicians, we manufacture premium quality products. DOL motor starters in DMC and backlight, Star Delta starters, connector doll, range of thermal overload relays, variety of contactors, spare contacts kits, variety of coils, 3-phase control panels, single-phase control panels, reversing and forward switches, and heavy-duty starters RU1 and RU2. Our units are not only superior in quality, but have been strengthening both the agricultural and industrial sectors for the last 18 years. Today, Rudraaksh Engineering's products are supplied across more than 8 states, becoming a synonym for trust and excellence. We are proudly listed on India Mart, Just Dial, Facebook and Instagram. Stay connected with us across all platforms.
Rudraaksh Engineering's priority for progress and perfection.